Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a fantastic long weekend if you're in Canada and everywhere else. I hope you're having a really wonderful Monday. So I have an unboxing to do with you guys. I was contacted by Your Creative Studio on Instagram. They contacted me and asked me if I would want to do an unboxing for them. And I was so excited to get their message on Facebook. I said, yes, absolutely, I would love to do that. So I believe it's like a vintage inspired kind of club kit. You get a monthly kit, and maybe we'll find out more as we go into it. I haven't opened it. I've just opened the box. So this is the card. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy this collection. Super, super cute card. And then this packaging is gorgeous. I'm going to try not to wreck it as I'm opening it. I'm wrecking it. All right, I'm going to take this out of here. Oh no, it's kind of stuck. Okay. So I'll just move it to the side like this so we can see better. Oh my goodness. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, this is a stamp. It says it's a cling stamp. I don't want to wreck any of this pretty packaging. I think I'll just like do a tiny cut on the top so I don't have to wreck the packaging. Okay, so it's a pretty little flower. Oh, there's a few little flowers, stamps. Pretty. So I'll put everything back in its container. Oh, this is washi. Oh, look how pretty it is. Look at that. That's beautiful. So pretty. Oh, this is another stamp. I guess I could try. I really just don't want to, I don't want to wreck the packaging. So I'm just snipping off the top. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And then this, I think, is, masking tape. That's interesting. Let's take it out of here. Oh, okay. It's tissue paper. Cool. I'll leave it in here. That's really cool. Really cool. And then this is some like dried flowers and other little embellishments. I don't want to, I'll try to leave the dried flowers in there. There's so many little goodies in here. So these are all like, oh cool, they have like August on them, and this says Wednesday. And then there's this cute little, like a paint palette. The cloud, I bring fresh showers for the thirsting flowers. Another Wednesday thing. Some calendars. Cute little bunny. September 12th. Midnight Streets, I Hear You. Oh man, this is so interesting. Streams full of stars like skies at night. That's really cool. The question is, can I get it back into the baggie? I will do that after. Let's try to keep it all with its counterparts. So there is some dried flowers in here. And it looks like more little cut apart things. And then these are some stamps. This is such a unique box. Oh my goodness. Look at all the dried, oh, these aren't dried flowers. These are, I think these are acetate flowers. Oops, yeah, these are all acetate flowers. Wow. So pretty. That's beautiful. And then, what is this? I think these might be like journaling cards. Yeah, I think that's what they are. Or, yep, that's journaling cards. Wow, these would be so beautiful in a journal. I'll have to make a journal and show you guys how I used all these little goodies. And I think Time Flies Bill Collection. Okay, cool. This is like ledgers. Wow, that's really neat. And then what's this one open down here? Has a cute little bow tying it all together. Oh my goodness, you can make journals for days with this, with all this stuff. So there's just all these awesome little cut aparts, memos. Wow. They're so beautiful. And this is like a cotton paper type of thing. It just keeps going, you guys. There is so much stuff in here. Okay, so these are like patterned papers. Wow, and there's some vellum papers back here. Oh my goodness. This is too cool. Absolutely too cool. And then these are rub-ons, which are so fun to use. I don't use them a whole lot. I don't actually even know if I have any rub-ons in my crafting arsenal. But yeah, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Well, thank you, my creative studio or your creative studio, I should say, for letting me do this unboxing for you. So I will put a link below to your creative studio. I think she said this was their February box, but I'm not positive. So if I was wrong, I will make that correction in the description below, and I will link to their website for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye-bye.